Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to SharePoint using Python. So our task at hand is to upload this cat picture to SharePoint. The main script is composed out of a couple of sections. So first of them is actually getting the configuration from the config file, which I will show you in a second. Then obtaining the authorization cookie. Then a dirty workaround to get the X request digest header. I don't have a better way to do it yet, so there's this dirty workaround. And then the actual upload. So let's get into the details. So I'm going to show you the template. So the template looks like this. This is the configuration file, which is a simple dictionary. And then it's composed out of SharePoint user, SharePoint password, the base path. So like this without the slash, SharePoint site name, and the direction, the document library that you would like to upload this file into. So it looks like this. So I have a Python uploader folder. It's on SharePoint document library without any files in it. And then the goal is when I will run my script, I want this file, this picture, to be actually uploaded to this folder. So let's go through the script itself. So this is the template of the configuration. And in the first section, I'm reading this configuration to local variables. So first, of course, there are imports. So import requests, we're going to use this. There is a SharePlum I'm using. So there is a package called SharePlum. And I'm using Office 365 out of it. The class called Office 365, which I'm using to authenticate with Office 365 SharePoint. It's not mandatory. You can authorize using as well REST API. However, since it was already done, I decided not to redo this code. Then I have as well my config file, so I'm importing this like this. So first, getting the configuration into the specific Python variables. Then my file name, I called it catpic, and it's in the same folder as the rest of my scripts. So first step, getting the authorization cookie. So I'm actually using the Office 365 package, and I'm providing the base path to SharePoint, the username, the password, and a function called getCookies. This will give me authorization cookie that I'm now adding to my session. So I'm creating a session from requests, and I'm assigning my authorization cookie to the session's cookies. I need to now as well update the headers of my session. So I'm updating the user agent header and accept. So I'm accepting application, JSON, OData, verbose. The user agent, you can actually put whatever. Doesn't really matter. Then there is this dirty workaround. I haven't figured out yet a way how to get the X request digest header from the server, from the SharePoint, without making the actual call and failing. So what it actually does, it makes a post request to the SharePoint, which fails because the X request digest response is not set. However, this failed response contains a proper X request digest header. So I'm actually assigning X request digest header from the response that I got from this failed post. And then finally, I'm performing the actual upload, which means open the file name as input file, response, post, and the URL is base URL, size, site name. Then there is an API, so get folder by server relative URL, and my document library. Then files, add URL, and after the URL is the file name. And if I want to overwrite, yes. So if I will have a new file, it will be overwritten on the SharePoint. And the data as a parameter of the post is the content of the file input. And if there are some exceptions, I'm raising them here. And let's actually now see if this works. So first I'm showing you that this is empty. So let me refresh just to make sure it's fully up to date. So you can see the folder is empty. And now let me run the script. So So just to show you, I have this config, SharePoint upload, the cat picture inside, and as well this config template that you've seen. Of course, my user and password are hidden in the config, so I don't want to share this with you guys. But let's see if it works. So clear and SharePoint upload. It works for a few seconds and it's done. And now let's see if and I can see already my file is updated just a few seconds ago. So if I click on the cat picture, let's see if it works. So I have my cat picture uploaded to SharePoint using Python. Okay, you will get the code from my blog. And if you have any requests to have interesting Python videos, just let me know and I'll try to record them. If you need some help, or you would have a problem that is potentially solvable by Python, let me know and I will try to figure it out if it's possible. And if yes, I will record a video and share the code with you guys. Thanks.